Hi there guys, if you have an old classic vehicle in your workshop that has a charging issue like I do with this MGB GT that's still fitted with the Dynamo charging system, and basically the battery's not getting charged, and I need to know whether it's the regulator cutout box, which is this old type, or if it's the Dynamo that's the issue. There's quite an easy way to test it. First, go at the back of the Dynamo, disconnect the wires completely, leave them hanging, you don't need them, and connect a jumper wire between the small terminal and the large terminal. The Dynamo creates its own voltage, so it doesn't need an ignition supply or anything like that. Then get your negative probe of your multimeter, connect it to an earth point on the body itself of the Dynamo, and connect your positive probe to either one of the terminals. And basically start up the vehicle, and it should immediately start charging, and it should increase to around 20 volts when you rev it up. Let's try it. Let me start it up. Now, as you can see, it's 9 volts. It's at around 9 volts, and the vehicle is idling. If you rev it up, it's already immediately gone to 19 volts, 18 volts, 16 volts, 17 volts, 19 volts, 16 volts, and like that you can, that's how you know whether it's charging or not. So yeah, idle we have 14 volts, that means it's a good Dynamo. Thank you guys.